How to turn off force stop on Android for individual apps.
Hey there, Android users. Welcome to this tutorial on how to turn off force stop on Android for individual apps. Have you ever encountered situations where certain apps on your Android device keep getting force stopped, disrupting your workflow? Well, in this video, we'll show you how to prevent that from happening by disabling the force stop option for specific apps. Let's get started.
What is force stop?
Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly understand what force stop means on Android. When you force stop an app, you're essentially terminating its processes and preventing it from running in the background. This can be useful in certain cases, such as when an app becomes unresponsive or misbehaves. However, some apps may have critical background processes that need to run continuously, and force stopping them repeatedly can cause inconvenience. Fortunately, there's a way to disable the force stop option for individual apps to ensure they keep running smoothly.
Disabling force stop for individual apps.
Here's how you can turn off force stop for specific apps on your Android device. 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. You can usually find it in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear-shaped icon. 2. Scroll down and select Apps and Notifications, or Applications, depending on your device. 3. Look for the app you want to prevent from being force stopped and tap on it. 4. On the app's info page, you'll find various options. Tap on Advanced or a similar option, like App Info. 5. Now, you should see a list of additional settings for the selected app. Look for the Battery or Battery Usage option and tap on it. 6. Depending on your device and Android version, you may need to tap on Battery Optimization or a similar option to access more settings related to battery usage. 7. On the Battery Optimization screen, you'll likely find a list of apps. Switch to the All Apps or Apps Not Optimized view if necessary. 8. Scroll through the list and find the app you want to disable force stop for. Once you've located it, tap on it. 9. A dialog box will appear with different options. Choose Don't Optimize or Don't Optimize Battery Usage to ensure the app isn't affected by battery optimizations that might lead to force stopping. 10. Finally, tap Done or Apply to save the changes you've made. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to turn off force stop on Android for individual apps. By following these steps, you can prevent specific apps from being force stopped, allowing them to run uninterrupted in the background. Remember, it's important to use this feature judiciously and only disable force stop for apps that require continuous background processes. If you ever need to troubleshoot an app that's misbehaving, you can always revert the changes and force stop it temporarily. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Happy app usage on your Android device!